Okay, so we got this situation. We have to integrate this part. So if you'll observe the question, you know that you can handle this situation easily. You can handle this situation easily. But both things together is little bit complicated. So what we have to do? So whenever you guys are trapped in this kind of situation, majorly you have to think about substitution. Okay? And the part which is annoying, you have to take that thing as z. So if you will observe, hopefully you will feel that this part is little bit annoying. So treat z as tan inverse x. Now do the differentiation both side with respect to x. So dz by dx equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. Look at this. We got this situation. So can I create dz as dx by 1 plus x square? Okay. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now let's update the question. So can I write e power z and dz? Done. Now you can solve this question. You know that the integration of e power x is x when you are integrating with respect to x. So similarly, integration of e power z with respect to z will be e power z only with integration constant c. Now you have to update your result because the question was asked in terms of x, so you have to answer in terms of x, so you have to replace z. So who is z? Z was tan inverse x plus c. So this is the final result. I hope the idea is clear.